Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can set ringtone in your phone Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click here for settings. Now click on sounds and vibration. Click on ringtone and click on SIM 1. These are only system ringtones. Just pick up any one. If you want to add any music file as a ringtone, click here. Click on this plus symbol, click allow, and all ringtones will be listed. That is, all music file will be listed here. Just pick up any song. If you have any music file in your memory card or your local folder, just you can select it from here and click on done. Yes. This way you can easily set SIM to ringtone too. First click on plus symbol and select any music file and click on done. You can also select from the available system ringtones. Just select here and go back to activate. Yes, that selected ringtone is activated now. Click on notification sound and click on SIM 1. Here you can choose only from the sounds, that is default sounds. You cannot add any music file as a notification sound. Click on SIM 2 and select any system tone here. Go back to activate. Next system sound, just select from the available options. There are 4 options, just select that. Next volume, here just you can increase or decrease the ringtone and other volumes. Ringtone volume, media volume, notification sound, system sound. Next vibration pattern, there are several vibration patterns. Just select from the available options. Next vibration intensity, this is also just you can control. Next system sound vibration. Just here you can control some sounds like touch interactions, screen lock and unlock, charging sound, dialing keyboard, Samsung keyboard, touch interactions. So in this way you can control some sounds, that is system sounds and vibration control. So in this way you can easily set ringtone and control other tones on our phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.